Hey, this will be a video chart on BBDA. Had some nice news out this morning, and not to state the obvious, but as you can see, the market clearly liked what it had to see. Big volume, nice price reaction, so really was firing on all cylinders. I'm sure the people that were accumulating down in this area are not complaining today. And as you can imagine, I got a bunch of chart requests today, and really the chart, these shorts where they just explode, at the end of the day, it boils down to: is this a legit move? Is this a strong move with genuine strength behind it? And the good news is with charts, that's relatively easy to figure out. All we have to do is monitor our support levels and also keep an eye on the resistance levels. Now, the first thing to note is just because the price may head down, that does not mean that it's not a strong move. All charts need to consolidate, and profit takers are going to take their profits, but it's a matter of how does the price react when it does get down towards those areas of support. That's where the true strength is determined. So once again, just because the price may pull back some more, or you may get a red candle, that's not the end of the world. That doesn't mean that all this move was fake. There's nothing true behind it. It's how it reacts when it gets by those support levels. So the first level that we're going to want to keep our eyes on is going to be right around here, and this level is basically right up here at 0.0075. So let me change this to green first to represent support. And where is this level coming from? Well, if we look back here through the history of the chart, you can see that acted as support a couple of days, but then when the price did fall below it, acted as resistance multiple times. You can see about 7 days, price tried to get some closes above it and just couldn't quite do it. So this will be the first, kind of test level in terms of, how strong is this move. But at the end of the day, the level that needs to be able to hold, if this is a truly strong move, is right here, this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average valued at 0.005. Now, I'm sure some people are thinking, what do you mean, it closed up here at a penny? That's a far drop. Well, that's kind of the catch-22 when you have these explosive moves, is that support levels start to really kind of get fewer and far between. But let's keep in mind, from somebody playing this from a longer-term perspective, let's say the price did come all the way down here, find support, and then head back up. Well, this set of lows right here is obviously higher than this, and when that's the case, it would give us the ability to draw an uptrend line, and that's the name of the game. We want stocks to be trending upwards. So yes, I know nobody would like to see it drop all the way back down here, but if it did and managed to hold and then go back up, that would be action that would classify this as a legitimate, genuinely strong move. Now, obviously, better yet, if the price just decided to come down here and do its consolidating before heading up, or I'm sure nobody would complain if it just did some consolidating up here. But the point being, we need to see it go through a healthy consolidation before we can classify this as some, huge, gigantic, genuinely strong move. In terms of future levels of resistance, really the key one, besides just where the profit taker stepped in today, is we have this 2-cent level up here. Then you can also see that basic line's right up here with the 200-day simple moving average. So these will be the resistance levels. But in my opinion, the key thing right now is to see what sort of consolidation this goes through. We don't want to see it obviously drop like a rock and then end up right back to where it started. That would definitely classify this as just a day trader momentum move and nothing more. So the rest of the week and then next week is going to be very important and pretty entertaining to see how exactly this one plays out. So if there are any other questions, get that out of there. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening.